Strengthening faith 84. A great obstacle to the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, is weakness of faith. It is a blameworthy characteristic, which gives rise to other negative characteristics, such as failing to act on one's knowledge, fearing others, placing the obedience of people above the obedience to Allah, the Exalted, having hope in forgiveness without striving for it, and other undesired characteristics. The greatest affliction of weakness of faith is that it allows one to commit sins, such as neglecting the obligatory duties. The root cause of weakness of faith is ignorance of Islam. One should strive to gain knowledge in order to strengthen their faith. With time they will eventually reach certainty of faith, which is so strong that it safeguards a person through all tests and trials and ensures they fulfill their duties both religious and worldly. This knowledge is obtained when one studies the teachings of the Holy Quran and the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Specifically, those teachings which discuss the promises of reward for those who are obedient and the punishment for those who are disobedient to Allah, the Exalted. This creates fear of punishment and hope of reward in a Muslim's heart, which acts like a pull and push mechanism towards the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. One can strengthen their faith by reflecting on the creations within the heavens and the earth. When done correctly, this clearly indicates the oneness of Allah, the Exalted, and His infinite power. Chapter 41 Fussilat, verse 53.
We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth.
For example, if a Muslim ponders over the night and day, and how perfectly in sync they are, and the other things linked to them, they will truly believe that this is not a random thing, meaning there is a force which ensures everything runs like clockwork. This is the infinite power of Allah, the Exalted. In addition, if one ponders over the perfect timing of the night and day, they will realize it clearly indicates that there is only one God, namely Allah, the Exalted. If there were more than one God, each God would desire the night and day to occur according to their own desires. This would lead to utter chaos, as one God might desire the sun to rise, whereas the other God might desire the night to continue. The perfect uninterrupted system found within the universe proves there is only one God, namely Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 21 Al-Anbiya, verse 22.
Had there been within them, i.e. the heavens and earth gods besides Allah, they both would have been ruined.
Another thing which can strengthen one's faith is to persist in righteous deeds and abstain from all sins. As faith is belief supported by actions, it weakens when sins are committed and strengthens when good deeds are performed. For example, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once warned in a narration found in Sunnah an-Nasai, number 5662, that a Muslim is not a believer when they drink alcohol. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.